Oh, and for myself here, I love, Dan, I absolutely love the body pods that comes with the 4-inch that you sent here.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go with the body pods now.
Yeah, just to
For
reiterate,
me,
that's what comes with the 4-inch LightTower is that runner's belt.
with
Yep.
it comes with this.
Yep,
So
it's included
for me,
with the,
what I do is I'll put this on here, and again, I'm going to wear it around my waist. So we got the line indicator going down with the shiny side towards the body. Okay, and I'll tell you what I've been doing. But every morning we go outside here, and my wife and I, we walk around. I've got a big driveway up here, so we'll walk around. We'll do a little shuffling with our feet for about a half hour. But I'll put this on the back here like this, and it feels so good. Now understand, on your back here, the tailbone, again, that's the basic energy center actually for your whole body. And I will send out a sheet so you guys understand how all of these different energies. So you got 11 energy centers actually in the front, between the front and the back. But that's going over my tailbone. Now understand, the tailbone has got all these nerve fibers, folks, that come out and wrap around, guess what? Your prostate. Now, for myself at 76, I've had a prostate problem. It goes up and down, you know, and I've got to keep it healed. Put this on there, guys. I've been wearing it 5 weeks now. I've had the product. So about every other day, I'll put this on and we'll walk around like that. And it's just shrinking the prostate like crazy.
I love it.
So those
That's
the tailbone's got all these nerve fibers that wrap around the prostate. You can pull all this up on the internet. But it's amazing. It's amazing what and just wearing this, I mean, this feels good just like this. I mean, so it's just another word. It's an amazing, it's a great gift too, including this pouch, because the pouch is perfect. I know you can wear it in the front if you want to for whatever's going on with you, I suppose. But